I know. I'm eating intro. Well, give me a second. Hey guys, TFO Fly Fishing. This video is of me going into the mountains. Good rain. We had about a half inch of rain the day before this, but the temperature then dropped from 55 to 40 overnight. And the thing is usually with the temperature drop like that, the fishing takes a hit. The fish get a little wonky. Every time I've had a temperature drop like that, or a temperature rise that fast, or drop that fast, the fishing has been off. That wasn't the case today. The morning was. I only caught, like, I think in the first 2 hours I maybe caught 10, 11 fish. And this place has the potential of giving you, if you're going for numbers, 100, 120 fish a day. It's full of cookie cutter fish. I did get a shot at a big brown, but moreover, I just caught a whole bunch of rainbows, and it was a good day. It was a good day. What I'm going to start doing is talking about what flies I use in the beginning. Okay, so today we used little eggs, of course. Okay, this is a size 16 egg with a 2.8 bead head. And here's a little bit bigger. It has a 3.5 bead head, size 14. Okay, using those and using a size 16 red dart with a 3.5 bead head. Okay, now we used 6.5x tippet today. Now, I probably could have gone a little bit heavier because the water was stained. I just wanted to make sure that I was getting the fish. Also, I want to practice using that light of line, because there's some places that I'll be fishing this winter and in the spring that if you don't fish at least 6.5x, you're not going to get a shot at them. So I just want to practice, using that light of line, and really just getting used to 6.5, 7x. That being said, we caught plenty of fish. I didn't have a single fish break my line. I did have 5 or 6 spit my line. I've been getting much better at hooking and keeping fish. I think out of all the fish I caught today, I might have lost 5 or 6. One really hurt, but the rest of them were just, I thought I hooked up, felt some head shakes, and gone. And sometimes there's nothing you can do about that. They just didn't get in their mouth good. So 6.5x, the eggs and the red darts, what I mostly use. I did try some other stuff, but just nothing. And yeah, starting out, the wind chill made it below 20. It was kind of chilly, but overall the water was good color. We had a good day, caught a bunch of fish, and I hope y'all enjoy. See you on the water. There we go. There we go. Little rainbow. Alright. Skunks out of the boat. First fish of the morning. I've been here now for a few minutes trying to figure out where the fish are. And nothing special. They're exactly where I thought they'd be. Pretty little wild rainbow. There we go. Good fish. Good fish. There we go. Good wild rainbow. Come here. Alright. Pretty wild rainbow. Pretty. we go. There's one. There's a little rainbow. I put on the egg because I knew there was fish. There we go. Good fish. Recording? Yes, I am. There we go. Awesome. Pretty colors. Come here. There we go. Oh, geez. Well, never mind. Can't see him. He decided he wanted to go. Oh well. All right. Let's get on. So at this point, I caught maybe 2 good fish that were between 12 and 14 inches. Everything else was between 6 to 10, and I probably caught 4 or 5 that were maybe 4 or 5 inches. The fish did seem to be warming up and ready to eat a little bit more readily, but I hadn't caught a very good fish until this one. There we go. There we go. Good fish. What is this? Good fish. Brown trout. Awesome. Good fish. Good, good, good. Didn't feel or nothing, I just saw the line jump. This is probably the best fish of the day so far. Oh goodness. Little 13-inch brown. Very pretty. Oh, it might be 14. Real pretty brown trout. Here we go. There we go. Yes, I am. Good fish. Come here. Come on. Fat fish. Good fish. This is probably, now this is my best fish of the day. All right. Man, that's a big fish, or fat fish. It's about 15 inch. Good. Yep. 15-inch wild fish. Good fish. Maybe 14, probably 14. I'm being a little ambitious with 15, but probably about 14. There we go. There's a fish. Good little rainbow. Pretty rainbow. Didn't feel the bite or anything, just saw the line go down. Sweet. Pretty little wild fish. I don't know. The fish are coming here and there about once every 5 or 10 minutes. Oh, there you go. I'm wondering if that has to do, we had a big temperature drop for some. I'm willing to bet that has something to do with the fish being real lethargic, but because we'll go to a spot, catch 2 or 3, and then not catch anything for the next, like, forever. And we'll have to switch up flies to get bites over and over. Oh, good fish. There we go. Here we go. Come here. Oh, you fighting so hard. Pretty fish. Good. Oh, that's a good rainbow. It's about another 13-inch rainbow. Heck yeah. Here, buddy. Oh, that sun coming out might be getting them fired up. Oh, yeah, it's about another 13-inch fish. Maybe a little bit bigger. No, it's about 13, 12, 13. There you go. Ooh, something tried to get you, buddy. Pretty fish. There it goes. Okay. So egg. There we go. There we go. There we go. Come here. Here's a good fish. Here's a good fish. There's a good fish. Oh. No. No. It was a good brown. I don't know if there's anything else I could have done. I've been purchasing flies from JW for a little bit over 3 years now. He has made me everything from eggs, micro streamers, small streamers, and nymphs. He ties small flies, he ties junk flies, he ties just about everything. And if he doesn't do it, he'll point you in the right direction. Guy's a good guy, he's genuine, he's honest, and he'll let you know straight up what to expect. And if there's an issue, he will do his best to fix it and mend this issue right away. Customer service is great, product is great, and if you're looking for any of the flies that I use in my videos, please contact JW Flies. Alright, back to the video. There we go. Good rainbow. Yep. Come here. Come here. Here we go. Pretty fish. Ooh. Pretty wild rainbow. Good fish. There we go. Good fish. Come here. What are you? Oh, it's a good brown. Good brown. There we go. Oh no, it's a good rainbow. Dadgum, that's a good rainbow. Yes. That is the best fish. Oh. All right. Oh. Come here. Pretty rainbow. There we go. Good rainbow. Alright. Well, including all the fingerlings I've caught, that's a lot. Actually, I've caught a lot of fish. Pretty low wild rainbow. Go ahead. What the? Hmm? There we go. Another little one. Jeez. I went from not catching a fish a couple hours to I've caught, well, I didn't see two because my camera, I thought I had it on, I didn't. They weren't big, they were about the same size as that one. But my numbers are getting pretty high now. I'm getting hit right there. There we go. Another one. Bunch of cookie cutter rainbows. Oh, that thing. Pull. Heck yeah. He's a little bit bigger. I'm gonna need to get a net. Come here. Come here. Alright. Really? Oh, jeez. Pretty rainbow. There we go. Little rainbow. I love these little wild things. Pretty rainbow. Good fish. Good fish. Good rainbow. Come on. Come on. Good fish. Come here. Come here. Awesome. Great fish. Great rainbow. I'm getting better at this. My goal today has been to try and get bites without feeling them and try to pick up some. And there's been a lot of miss hooks, there's been a lot of early hooks, there's been a lot of late. I'm trying not to rely so much on feel and get better at picking them up regardless, like just on little subtle hints. And this guy is, oh, you're about 16. This is the second biggest fish I've caught today. He is beautiful. Come here. On this stretch, I probably caught another 10, give or take. But they were small, and like I do with most of my videos, I cut out a lot of the small fish just because I feel like it would make the video from a 20 to 30 minute to almost an hour long video. And I just, a bunch of small fish, unless y'all really want me to put in all the fish, then we can have hour long videos. But I'm just trying to save time, and these are more of the little bit better fish. So I'm fishing right now a size 16 egg with a 2.8 bead head. It's not very big, but they weren't touching, little pretty rainbow. They weren't touching the big egg for some reason after eating it all day. There we go. Jeez, I thought it was a current, but then I just saw it like swimming around in circles. I was like, good gosh. Thing has it in his mouth, just flying around. There's still fish in there. Come on. There we go. It's another little fish. Dadgum. In this stretch, since I came over here, I probably caught 20 fish. I'm not going to obviously put all of them on video because that'd be, yeah, 20 par marks would be ridiculous. I thought maybe, but no. It's gotten a weird current. There we go. Unfortunately with that one, I didn't see it until after I felt it. So I felt a little tick and then the line stopped. So I need to be a little bit more quicker at recognizing stuff like that. All right. Let's try this again. Nope. All right. Well, I'm going to throw it free here a couple more times, and if nothing, then I will see y'all at my last hole. Trying for a few more fish. Yes. Good fish. There we go. There we go. There we go. Awesome. Good fish. Great. This one is actually whenever a trout can hold its weight, it's a good fish. What I mean by that is I can't just readily just pick it up out of the water. I gotta fight it a little bit. Good fish. All right. Great little rainbow. Cool. Come here. Little wild rainbow. That's what I thought. I thought there would be one right in here. No one. Oh, buddy, come here. Oh, there he goes. There we go. There we go. It's a stud of a rainbow. Come here, come here, come here. Turn, 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 turn. Oh my gosh. Great rainbow. Come on, come on, come on. Turn your head, turn your head. Turn your head. Good fish. Actually, he's not that, he's just pissed. Goodness gracious. The way he took off at first, I thought that thing was 20 inches. He's not, he's about 15, 16. Still good fish. Mad. Didn't film me, he just saw my line stop. Oh wait, no, this, he might be 18. He might be 18. Come here, come here. Go. Yes. Well, let's see. Guy's head. He's 16. He's about 2 inches short. A lot of fun though. That was a good time. Alright guys, so no big browns today. We got a good brown and we had a shot at a, I'm pretty sure it's about an 18-inch brown. Just, they get off. I had the rod tip down, I had them pulled to the side, I had everything taken care of. I thought I was doing right. I don't know, I'm gonna show it to some of my friends who are better fishermen than me and they can rip me apart. I don't know, man. But you know what? For only one brown and then, wow. A lot of, my forearm hurts. A lot of rainbows. But you know, I can't complain. It's been a wonderful day. Honestly, it's been a great day. Rainbows fought hard, and the one brown I did get was beautiful. So if y'all enjoyed this video, please leave a like. If you have any questions, please leave a comment. And if you want to see more, please subscribe. And as always, guys, tight lines and blessings.